With Giftship, collect a date from your customers right on your Shopify product page using the drag-and-drop Datepicker block. Restrict which dates they can choose based on the product they're purchasing. Let's walk through how it works. Product options appear directly above the Add to Cart button on a single product page. The Datepicker block is fully customizable, and with product option set display rules, you can control which Datepicker applies to which product. Restrict which dates a customer can choose. Disable certain days of the week, like Mondays. Or disable future dates, like holidays. Add a lead time too, so customers can't expect delivery right away. Once they add the product to cart, that information becomes a line item property on the order. Let's show you how to set up a Datepicker block through product options. First, head to the Giftship dashboard and create a new product option set. We cover option sets in a dedicated video. Think of an option set as a blank canvas. Choose from 20 different blocks and counting, each fully customizable. Let's click Add Block and choose Datepicker. Now that the block's been added, click on it to configure it. First, define the input name. This is the most important part of configuring a block. Name it after the information you're collecting, and avoid changing it later. This is what shows up in the order data. The customer never sees it. We recommend keeping it lowercase and simple. You'll also reference the input name when printing the information, adding it to order confirmation templates, or creating automatic order tags. Add a label. This displays to the customer as a heading above the block, and placeholder text, which appears in the field itself as a call to action. You can also add optional help text below the field for more direction. You can also mark the field as required. This prevents customers from adding to cart without selecting a date. Next, visit the Time Constraints tab. Add a lead time so customers can't select today's date or any date too soon after it. Set a cutoff time too, so your team has time to process the order before the end of the day. Define your store's time zone for that cutoff time too, so it triggers based on your local time, not the customer's. Next, head over to the Disabled Dates tab. Set a maximum number of days into the future a customer can select. Disable specific days of the week, like Mondays. You can also choose whether disabled days count toward your lead time or get skipped over entirely. And you can even disable specific dates, like holidays, for each Datepicker. And that's it. Information collected through product options populates the line item properties on the order, right below the product title when viewing the order in Shopify. The date chosen has no direct effect on when a product ships or what shipping methods appear at checkout. We have other videos covering that. Dates customers choose can be printed with Giftship's order printer on packing slips and invoices. You can also add the date as an order tag using Giftship's auto-tagging feature or Shopify Flow. Perfect for searching your order queue for today's date, or even building automation workflows around specific dates. Giftship. Everything your Shopify store needs for gifting. One app, one subscription.